Hey, if you own a cleaning business and you're trying to get Google guaranteed and your local service ads account is stuck in the verification process, let's say you've gone through everything, you've done the proof of insurance, the background check is passed, you've put in your billing information and set a budget, then you might get stuck on this customer reviews stage. And this has been happening a lot. We set up local service ads accounts for cleaners every single week here at BookCleaningJobs. And for some reason, Google can't seem to figure out where your reviews are. They have trouble connecting to your Google business profile. Maybe it's new, maybe it was recently verified, but whatever the reason is, Google has trouble finding your Google business profile that has the reviews on it. So if that happens and you do, in fact, have a Google business profile and you have reviews on it, which is one of the requirements, you need to have at least 3 reviews in order to get Google guaranteed. If that's the case and Google's having trouble finding this, then what you need to do is call this phone number right here, down here. And that is the number for Google local service ads customer support. You can press 1 to let them know that you're a new advertiser trying to get signed up and you're having trouble with verification. Tell them that you have an existing Google business profile, your reviews are not getting imported. What Google is going to do is they're going to email you at the email address that's associated with your account here, your LSA account. They're going to email you and they're going to ask you to send them back a link to your Google business profile. So you would go look up your company on Google, copy the URL that shows up here in the URL bar in your browser and send that URL back to Google local service ads support. They will connect your profile in the background and your reviews will import and boom, you'll be Google guaranteed. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, hit like. If you want to grow your cleaning business, hit subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We've helped a lot of people with local service ads and Google guaranteed. So if you need help with that, feel free to book time with us at bookcleaningjobs.com. I'll talk with you later.